this valley, the people of the state of California, original people. Today marks a day that we all come together in unity to ensure that the voices of those that are still crying out from these grounds are not going on deaf ears. We come together in unity to show support for one another of all California Indian people here in the state of California. So it's my honor, Chairman, Wilton Rancheria people, that we're able to share this song for you today for a covering and show our support from Southern California, Serrano, Kuya, Yohaviatam people. Tamale, tamaloa, tamale, tamaloa, tumani wa tu hey, tamale, tamaloa, tamale, tamaloa, tumani wa tu hey, tamale, tamaloa, tamale, tamaloa, tumani wa tu hey, tamale, tamaloa, tamale, hamalo, tumani wa tu hey, tamale, tamaloa, tamale, tamaloa, tumani wa tu hey, tamale, tamaloa, tamale, tamaloa, tumani wa tu hey, tamale, tamaloa, tamale, tamaloa, tumani wa tu hey, tamale, tamaloa, tamale, hamaloa, tumani wa tu hey, tamale, tamaloa, tamale, hamaloa, tumani wa tu hey.
Round of applause for James Ramos, ladies and gentlemen, Assembly member of the 45th District. That was incredible.